I just thought I'd record this short video because so many of you would love to grow your own, but you're not sure that you have the space to do so. So I just thought I'd cover this absolutely fantastic flower that could be overlooked. And the best thing about it is you get flowers and you also get food. And that is the nasturtium. So the nasturtium, you can get it as a trailing variety, which will just keep going and going and going. Great if you want ground cover. Otherwise, there are bush or dwarf varieties, although what I'm about to show you doesn't look much like a dwarf variety. So this is one of our nasturtium plants. There we go. It was in a bed with some broad beans just to draw away the black fly. So just to let you know that nasturtiums do attract black fly. Small price to pay for the food that you're going to get. So you can eat the leaves as a salad, or just eat them off the plant. Sometimes I do as a little snack. So here's the leaves. Absolutely beautiful. My hand-eye coordination not so good. Or you can make them into a pesto. So really nice variation. Just have something a bit different. Then there's the flowers. Now the flowers they're a joy to see. I mean, they brighten up any salad. I defy anyone that can't smile when they see a nasturtium flower on there. They're really sweet in the summer, and as you get into the autumn, they can start to be a little peppery. That's when you start to play nasturtium roulette. But here we have one of the flowers. Perfect. So we've got orange ones, we have yellow ones, which is in this plant here. I'm not sure if I'm showing it to you because I've got it at the wrong angle. And then after the flowers, then you have the capers. So the seed, sorry. So the seeds are known as poor man's capers. Now let me try to show you there. Just bring that up. Oh, it's just fallen off the plod. There we are. So you can just take off the seeds. They often come in 2s or 3s. I've got 2 there. And they also have a peppery, spicy flavour to them. So if you don't like things that are very hot, then you can put them into a brine for 3 to 5 days, and it just draws all of that spiciness out. If you do like it, then just go straight for it, go for pickling. And then you can just pickle these nasturtium seeds and then eat them as you would a caper. So enjoy, bon appetit.